welcome to my Lego review. These are all the things that we're doing. 3 things. We're doing this one, and this one for each video. So first up, we'll get the rock truck. I'll go and get it right now. This is the rock truck. As you can see, well, there are 2 people, 1 wheelbarrow and the truck. There's a broom on this end, and there's a secret thing, and if you can't see it, there is like a shovel on this end, and they're pretty cool. They're just a little hard to get in. Like this guy drives the truck. You see this? Oh. Sometimes the rocks roll. They're called rolling rocks. This is one of the rocks. These are what the rocks look like. One of the rocks. These are like things. I don't know what they are, but the things. There's the wheelbarrow, these are the people. Well, there's also horns on the front. Here, and lights. And these ones here. And there's a little coffee right there and cereal right there.
Foxy, who gave you that for Christmas?
Auntie Susie.
Right. That's a great review. Can we look at the other ones now?
Now, on the next video, I'm gonna do the rubbish truck. So, this is the rubbish truck. There's rubbish bins. This the same as the
same as the rock truck?
Yeah, rock truck. The same as the rock truck. And there's 1 broom and 1 shovel. That's the same as the rock truck. Also something different. There's a steering wheel right here. You'll figure that out in a second. So, these are the people. So, as an example, these 2 have to put the rubbish away. To do that, you get a rubbish bin, put it here, and then the steering wheel actually does it. You just turn it that way.
Yes.
And then pops the rubbish in. Some might fall out, so you do it again. Then you take it out, get another. But if they sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Sometimes it just gets a little silly. So, basically, they all have to go in. This is what they always do. And that's when they're at the dump site. Maybe want this to happen and tip it over.
And who gave you that, Fox?
Santa, I mean.
Santa gave you that one. You got lots of Lego for Christmas, didn't you? Okay. Shall we look at the other ones now?
So this is that. So there's 2 fishes, 1 banana, and there used to be 1 more of these and 2 of these, and these are the person, a lady and a man, and that's all in the video. Next one we're going to tell you the big truck, mining truck, I mean. Bye. Hello and welcome. This time is the last one. But there's got to be more coming out soon. So, this is the mining truck. I got it from my nanny and Poppy. And so, this guy's holding a little tiny golden thing. And this is the bomb. These are 2 rocks that came with it. When you open them, and they're all Lego City, as you can see here. And if you really like it, describe at the comment below. Tell me which one of your trucks you like. And also...
What do you want them to do, folks? Subscribe and comment.
And then this is a little bomb sign. The bomb's right here. And it's a little shaky. And if you want, turn it over, open this up, put the jewel on top of here. Do this. Put the helmet up. It actually goes on the silver thing. Sometimes it goes under the truck. And you put the hat on here. And then you put the person here. And this. Yeah.
Okay, it's great. Where do they take the rocks? Where do they sell the rocks to?
To China.
What?
China.
Just China buy all the rocks?
Because I want the rocks. But if you want, you can like put that down. And maybe you can like do that. And you can also play a game. Me and my dad will demonstrate. My daddy holds this. So.
Okay, all right. Shall we stop this video and we'll wrap it up?
Last one to get to is the loser.
Okay. All right.
That's the end of all the videos, but there's more coming out. So please subscribe again if you want. And that's the end. Bye.